Lesson 1 English sentences. Don't move. Don't move. मेरे साथ बोलें. Don't move. हिलो मत. Don't ask. Don't ask. Don't ask. पूछो मत. Don't come here. Don't come here. यहाँ मत आओ. Don't tell a lie. Don't tell a lie. झूठ मत बोलो. Don't forget. Don't forget. भूलो मत. Don't take tension. Don't take tension. परेशान मत हो. Don't take tea. Don't take tea. चाय मत पियो. Don't hesitate. Don't hesitate. खिसखिसाओ मत. Don't be afraid. Don't be afraid. डरो मत. Get some water. Get some water. Something is better than nothing. Something is better than nothing. कुछ ना होने से होना बेहतर है. कुछ ना करने से करना बेहतर है. Thank you.